Right. Okay, from this hollow rod, it goes out to each one of these guys. Now this one is squished. That's perfectly fine because this is excess oil that's going back down to the pan.
Correct.
When I build performance versions of this valve train, I actually pop these and I drill them, tap them, and plug
them off,
so that I'm flooding the top end with oil, as opposed to just sending some down the drain. And what that does is it increases the delivery pressure of oil to the mains.
Win-win.
That's what I was thinking.
Yes. Because if you love her, lube her.
Yep. Or loser. Luber or loser. That's what I always say. Yeah, lube is almost always the answer.
Or duct tape. Or both at the same time.
The engine was on for a second.
Spark plug, pull.
Yeah, I'm sure that, yeah.
To the spark plug.
Yeah, this season has been absolutely
Good.
Make sure you're nice and square, otherwise it won't thread. Is it threading? Yeah, nope.
Hands look good, Mr. Sherman. I am a towel. I am a giant shop rag.
that looks good.
There we go.
All right. Okay. Now behind you is an air hose.
Dun, dun, dun. Please undo the blower tool.
Yeah, it's gonna go. Poof.
There we go.
Keep going. Stop right there. Good.
Okay.
Right now, that pull.
Put that on. Pull that back.
You gotta pull this collar back.
Shove it in.
Keep going. Keep going.
There you go.
Whoops. Push hard.
There it is.
Now open up the valve. There we go.
There it is.
Here, some air leaking.
When do you go back?
Like Saturday. Friday night.
There we go.
Okay, that looks pretty good, doesn't it?
That looks nice and free, guys.
Yeah, but where are the keepers?
They're in
that
there.
Big?
They're huge.
They're enormous.
Can you talk to us while you're
Pardon?
talking? Can you talk to us about this?
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out what's the best way to do this without killing myself. Because this isn't working the way it isn't really working the way I'd want it to.
You got a socket
That's
put
what I'm
up there and
thinking
just give it a little rapidy rap.
Covers that are in here, you can't really see them. There's two pieces here. It's a two-piece retainer, and then there's these little semicircle things called keepers. And we got to get those off.
A little bit smaller. Nah, that should probably maybe go a little smaller. One size smaller.
Yeah.
Use some sort of compressing thing or whatever to compress the spring.
Yeah. We both have tools, but we're kind of doing it the Alabama way.
I have the tools.
The way we would have to do it.
the shade tree way, but
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's one of those things.
Yeah. You just gotta hold that tight. There we go. There it is.
Did you have a hat? It looks like a hat. Here we go.
I got it. You heard the sound change?
What was he doing?
He's popping them loose. Because the keepers and the retainers, they'll get stuck after forever because they're just beating on each other. So when you do that, it kind of frees them up a little bit. All right,
I want to see.
Monsieur Sherman.
I want to see. No, it's not gonna work. Don't hurt yourself.
You need your actual chingaderas.
You might. I think we might need the real. No,
Oh, no, there it goes.
Except I got to push this down too.
I can turn it.
Oh, I bent it.
Don't bend that thing.
That's not going to work.
Okay,
So I need the real deal.
go get the real deal chingadera.
Yep. You're going to need that.
All right, boys. There you go.
They're all loose.
All right.
Yes.
I'm looking at that and thinking maybe that's what it's trying to do.
Not even close.
Yeah, radically different.
Let's just take it off anyway,
Ruh-roh.
and then we'll get another one.
What do you bet that's a Y block one, like the other item we got sent?
Most likely.
Pulley and hammer.
He's a pulley.
That's a half, I believe. Maybe it's a 9/16. Yeah. Yeah, that thing's. You can feel the fuck in that. You can quote me on that.